Karnataka sex scandal. Now Prajwal Revanna has been asked to appear for a probe within 24 hours. A notice has also been issued to JDS MLA H.D. Ravanna, the father of Prajwal Revanna, who is the second accused in this horrifying case. Now remember, the JDS has suspended Prajwal Revanna, the sitting party MP and Lok Sabha candidate from Hassan, after the Congress government in Karnataka formed an SIT to probe the allegations of sexual abuse against him. The state government had formed this SIT to probe the scandal. Sources say that some of the videos could in fact be cases of rape, and efforts are now underway to locate the victims. Notices have also been issued to Revanna and his father in this matter. Meanwhile, while of course the SIT has now given a deadline of 24 hours, both the Women's Commission, which is the National Commission for Women, as well as the Child's Rights Body, have all issued notices to Revanna as well. Now, this of course raises questions over the possibility of the fact that many of those victims could have been minors.
Congress and JDS workers got into physical and political exchange outside the hotel in Karnataka's Hubballi, where the JDS held its core committee meeting to decide action against Prajwal Revanna. This drama unfolded as Congress workers protested against the JDS, even as former Chief Minister and JDS Chief H.D. Kumarasamy met with party workers and decided to suspend Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna, who faces serious allegations of sexual assault caught on camera. The issue exploded after pen drives with over 2,000 videos were released and an SIT ordered by the state government.
The twists and turns of Karnataka politics around this sex scandal will be extremely important to watch out, as is the investigations into those allegations, which are extremely serious. The political fallout is the one side, and just the one side of it. The larger issue is about the allegations itself that have been made, and more importantly about the victims, given the nature, the gravity of it and the enormity of it, the number of videos over 2,000. And as I mentioned, the first focus is to get Prajwal Revanna back before the authorities for questioning.
These people, several times they have done like this, D.K. Shivakumar. Their only intention is to malign our family. Not only that, they bring the name of the Honorable Prime Minister in this issue.
For the JDS, the focus is to negate through a political storm that could seriously dent the image of the Devegowda family, and for the BJP, it's an embarrassing development ahead of Phase 3 elections. The National Party clearly distancing itself from the scandal.
इस प्रकार की घटनाओं को सार्वजनिक जीवन में, समाज में या निजी तौर पर कहीं पर कोई स्थान नहीं होना चाहिए। कठोर से कठोर कदम उठाने चाहिए। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्टैंड अथर है और उसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन भारतीय जनता पार्टी में किसी स्तर पर नहीं है। हम महिला शक्ति के अपमान का, मातृशक्ति के अपमान का घोर निंदा करते हैं।
The Congress launched an offensive campaign against the JDS, but there are questions over why the issue was not proved earlier and why it was brought out in the midst of the elections. The focus of the investigation is to first get Prajwal Revanna, who is in Germany, before the authorities.
ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಹೊರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
No one in Karnataka believes Mr. Kumarasamy. Every day he changes his stand. Every day he tries to deviate things. This is a political history and his political story that is not firm and committed to any of his political understandings.
Given the political fallout on one side, the nature of allegations make this an extremely serious issue, and investigations need to prove several victims. The FIR also names Prajwal's father Revanna, and the question is what kind of action will be taken against them. With Veera Raghav, Pratibha Raman in Bengaluru for NDTV.
Pratibha now joins us on the phone line for more on the story. So Pratibha, the latest of course is the fact that now the SIT has actually put Prajwal Revanna on a notice. A 24-hour notice has been served that he must appear before the probe agency. He's of course a member of parliament who's seeking a re-election. This is a huge deal. Any idea on when he's likely to return from Germany or what really is happening?
Well, in fact, that question is still in the air. But before that, the Special Investigation Team has based its investigation on the FIR that was registered by one of the victims in the Hassan district, where she has claimed that this is sexual harassment, and she has narrated the ordeal that she has gone through. Based on that, the woman will also be interrogated by the SIT, along with those of the women who have been featured in several of those videos that have come out in the form of pen drives as well as other media platforms. Now, the SIT has divided themselves into 3 teams. One of the teams would trace all of these women, because remember, some of the videos have been recorded at least 4 or 5 years ago. So it will take time and effort to trace all of those victims. And the second team would look into those videos, analyze each of them. The third team would look at the technical aspects of this particular case, because this also involves cybercrime. Keeping in mind all of these together, they have to now record the statements of the witnesses on one hand, and on the other, they have to interrogate Prajwal Revanna, because he is the main person who's been embroiled in this controversy. Now, all questions point to whether or not Prajwal Revanna would be arriving for this investigation to India, and because according to sources, we hear that he is in Germany. And the other point is whether or not he would cooperate with this investigation. However, the JDS family has suggested that yes, they would be cooperating with the SIT probe, and they welcome this probe. We'll have to just wait and see when he would be arriving and when the details would emerge after further interrogation of the witness.
Thanks very much, Pratibha, for joining us with the very latest. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story.